Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to clean water tank for your facial steamer. Begin by turning off the facial steamer using the main power control to safely prepare for removing the water tank. Lift the removable water tank straight up from the steamer base and move it to a nearby sink. Rotate the tank cap counterclockwise at the top opening and lift it off the water tank. Turn the tank upside down over a sink and allow all remaining water to drain completely. Fill the tank with clean water from the tap until the interior surfaces are fully rinsed. Swirl the water inside the tank to loosen residue along the interior walls and bottom surface. Pour the rinse water out through the tank opening into the sink until the tank drains completely. Finally, wipe the inside rim and outer surfaces using a soft cloth until the tank appears clean and dry.